iPhone assemblers Foxconn and Pegatron feel threatened by China-based manufacturers. So we have, this is a thing I've been following. I'm interested in, obviously, once again, this current tumultuous trade situation has led to all kinds of bizarre moves that seemingly wouldn't have taken place if it weren't for that. And this next one is sort of like that. The big Apple manufacturers, Taiwan-based, right? Foxconn being the biggest. And recently, one of them, Wistron, who assembles iPhone for Apple in Taiwan, sold the division that manufactures the iPhone to a Chinese company called Luxshare. And up until this point, it's been all Taiwanese manufacturers assembling iPhones, even if they're based elsewhere in the world, like India or elsewhere in Southeast Asia, or even in Brazil in some circumstances. Yep. It's still been a Taiwanese-based company. But Wistron selling this piece to Luxshare has potentially panicked the other Taiwanese makers that this transition could take place, or that Luxshare could have a competitive advantage over them, and then Apple could increase volume and move away from them, essentially. Not that they don't have much evidence, but this is a thing that Apple's been pretty settled and fine with these manufacturers. But maybe Apple wants to diversify its supply chain for the Chinese market specifically, and wants to hedge its bets, wants to leverage itself as well. It's quite possible. Keep in mind, Foxconn, the chairman recently, the guy who came out and said China's days as the world's factory are over. He didn't say they're numbered, the days are numbered. He said they're over. So you have to expect that there's just some kind of tension there as well between China and Foxconn, potentially China and Taiwan. It's possible. But this Luxshare company, they also operate out of other places beyond China, including places like Vietnam.